Betrayal leaves questions the heart can't answer. This message is for the version of you who still wants answers. The version of you who lies awake replaying everything, trying to understand how someone who claimed to care could turn around and betray you. I want you to hear this with your whole heart. You are not searching for answers because you're weak. You're searching because betrayal cracked something sacred inside you. It broke the link between what you believed and what you lived through. Your mind keeps looking for the missing pieces because the story never felt complete. You didn't get truth. You didn't get accountability. You didn't get closure. So your mind keeps circling the wound, trying to make sense of something that never made sense to begin with. But here's what nobody tells you. Answers do not heal betrayal. Clarity does. And clarity begins with accepting something difficult, something most people avoid because it hurts too much to face. The person who betrayed you already told you who they are through their actions. You keep trying to rewrite the truth that was already spoken. The moment you stop looking for answers from them is the moment you make space to hear your own voice again. The moment you stop needing them to explain themselves is the moment you start rising. You are not here to understand why they betrayed you. You are here to understand why you deserved better. And if this message spoke to you, if you feel this in your chest right now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because you do not have to walk this healing journey alone.